Yes, viewers, we promise to be giving you updates concerning the Amawbia-Agulu-Nanka-Ekwulobia-Uga-Akokwa road dualization by the Anambra state government. So in this particular package, we are going to give you more details and more facts concerning this road dualization. As work commences and the contractors, have been named for this road dualization. Well, we are going to read from the cable, where the details of the road construction, emerged publicly. So we are going to give you some lowdown concerning the most current facts about this road dualization that commenced. So from here, we are coming out from Amawbia roundabout, where the dualization will commence or where the dualization will end at both end Amawbia and Oga axis. Akokwa is in Imo State, so but we rather say Amawbia to Oga. That is where the dualization will end. And as this dualization is going on, the government of Imo State ought to have started talking plans on how to continue with their own sites. These are the things that they are supposed to be discussing when they go for governors forum to link the whole of Southeast and ensure the ease of doing business is achieved in the southeastern part of Nigeria. So we are going to give you the details of most current update concerning this road dualization. So it goes like this. Soludo commences the construction of a super highway linking Imo and Anambra. I will take it again. Soludo commences the construction of a super highway linking Imo and Anambra. Well, let's go into the details. With the approval granted by the Anambra State Executive Council, that is ANSEC for short, all is set for the dualization of Amawbia-Agulu-Nanka-Ekwulobia-Uga road by Governor Chukwuma Soludo. The road we are talking about now is the road we are applying now. I hope you are seeing it. This area is Nibo area, Nibo-Nise axis is where we are now. From that Nibo-Nise axis, we enter Agulu. So let's continue. All is set for the dualization of Amawbia-Agulu-Nanka-Ekwulobia-Uga road by Governor Chukwuma Soludo. The Amawbia-Agulu-Nanka-Ekwulobia-Uga-Akokwa road, which is a federal road, connects Awka, the capital of Anambra State, to Imo State. The road, which is currently a single lane road, is in a deplorable condition. The construction of this federal road by Governor Soludo will not only transform the economic landscape of Anambra State and the Imo State, it will also help in the social integration between these states. So let's continue. This project is a perfect example of how a focused subnational government could work with a progressive federal government in order to achieve massive great progress in a win-win partnership. Considering the socio-economic importance of this trunk A road, usually trunk A roads are federal roads. I take it again. Considering the socio-economic importance of this trunk A road, Anambra State government applied to the federal government in order to intervene in its dualization. Permission was granted after an extensive review of Anambra proposal. The proposed new road, which will be completed in 12 months from the date the contractors mobilized to site, is anticipated to reduce the travel time between Owerri and Awka by over 70%. The construction of this new road is part of Governor Soludo's urban regeneration plan, which comprises the development of clean and green cities, dualization of major roads, and the connection of major cities with railway system in Anambra. Wow. So now with this statement, there is hope for railway lines in Anambra State, probably in near future. Well, these are the things that the state needs to ensure more connectivities and help in business, movements in the states. It did not end like that. He said the design of Anambra's railway network is almost completed. With the Amawbia-Nanka-Ekwulobia-Uga Road, Governor Soludo is set to match the record set by the former governor of Ebonyi State, Engineer David Umahi. David Umahi broke an unprecedented record in the southeast when he celebrated the construction of over 500 kilometers of brand new roads within 3 years in 2018. To me, it's not about 1,000 kilometer road, but how standard and well equipped the road is. Road is not just to come and do asphalt on the road and it goes like that. Road has more than that. What about the width of the road? Does it have good drainage system? What about the walkways? Are the walkways to standard or anything else? Well, these are the things that make up roads. And another thing, it depends on the location of the road. But however, let's continue. This anticipated 500 kilometer high quality brand new roads by the Soludo-led administration are exclusive of the thousands of kilometers of roads which have been made motorable. That is referring to brand new roads now. As a result of repairs work by the Anambra Road Maintenance Agency, that's excluding repair works. Well, let's continue. The project, which will be a legacy project for the people of Anambra and Imo State, has elicited excitement from the people of Anambra State. The Vice President of Ohaneze Ndigbo Worldwide, Chief Damian Okeke Ogene, remarked that the interconnectivity that will be provided by this road would boost socio-economic activities in the southeast region and enhance collaboration in other areas, including efficient and effective security network to secure the zone. The scale of this project clearly shows that it is not what a faint-hearted and unfocused government could execute. But Governor Soludo, with his can-do spirit, is determined to place Anambra on the map. Well, let's continue. Currently, this dilapidated single carriageway, which will be dualized by Governor Soludo, has very ineffective drainage system and is prone to overflooding at some sections. This makes traveling on this road a nightmare in the peak of the rainy seasons. The total stretch of the road to be dualized is 34 kilometers, which is equivalent to 68 kilometer single lane roadway. Well, this writer has tried to, give us some calculations that the length of a single carriageway can never be equated with the length of a dualized road. Well, let's continue. Because of the strategic importance of this road, the Governor Soludo-led administration has decided to start constructing the first 30 kilometers of the proposed dual carriageway, equivalent to 60 kilometers of a single road, using innovative financing model, while the federal government will construct the remaining 4-kilometer section, equivalent to 8-kilometer single lane roadway. Well, if the state government can do up to 30 kilometers, why would the federal government come in to do 4 kilometers again? The state would have finished the road and give them bail to pay them back. Well, I don't know the modalities of this approval, but if you ask me, the state government is supposed to complete the road, just remaining 4 kilometers. They should complete it and tender their bill to the federal government, which is a normal thing that even the previous administration in Anambra State have been doing that. A typical example is when Peter Obi did from Head Bridge, that's from entrance of First Niger Bridge into Onitsha, through Boromi and down to Obunike side. Yes, he did it, and the federal government repaid Anambra State during Willie Obiano. Let's continue with the road. The economy of major cities, Nanka-Ekwulobia-Uga-Akokwa, traversed by this road, will be given a new life. Let us take the transformation that this road will bring to Agulu, the beautiful hometown of former Governor Peter Obi. For example, this new road will connect Nnewi, the manufacturing capital of the southeast, via a proposed 18-kilometer dual carriageway at Agulu. A massive interchange will be constructed at the point the proposed superhighway leading to Imo State connects the anticipated dual carriageway leading to Nnewi at Agulu with the network of roads. The Agulu Lake Hotel and the historic Agulu Lake will be accessible to people from Imo State in less than 25 minutes. Governor Soludo plans to revive Agulu Lake in the coming months. Wow, well, that's a good one.
Lawyers can
to make
more.
it more clearer,
this particular one is when
this place now
people
is
has violated government law,
and
I don't think it's applicable in this
little short video that I've
when you have violated the laws of the land and
placed on top
you are
of
looking for compensation.
video. You can see
But
it here. This is
I will
Wango,
still come
and
to
this
that.
is where the
Let me
18-kilometer
read first
dual
what,
carriageway that will commence
these
from
guys are
Agulu
talking
that will go
about.
to Nnewi.
One of the
That is what he meant.
protesters
You can
said,
see
how
this
can
is
a
Wango.
government
If you
call
take right
people's
now,
inherited
straight
property
you are going down to
structures
Nnewi.
illegal?
See the road here. By the right here,
Soludo
you are going
should be
straight
ready
to
to
Nnewi.
pay
So
people their due
here we
compensation
have a massive
before
interchange
destroying their
according to
property
the writer.
if he wants
that,
this
there is
beautiful
plan to
project to be a
construct
success.
an interchange here that will connect.
Soludo should be
Nnewi,
ready to pay people
down
their
to
due
this,
compensation
road.
before destroying
Well, we
their
are all
property.
seeing it.
If he
What we have
wants
been
this
saying
beautiful
here on
project
this
to be a
channel
success, I
about
repeat, that is
connecting
what
Anambra
they
State
said.
properly,
one of
so
the
that
protesters said.
it will be easier
So,
to
but
move around the state, because the state is well known for their commercial nature. Well, gradually the state is coming up concerning the issue of road. So let's continue. We'll get to see the contractors that have been, giving these roads to construct. Currently, the Soludo-led administration is about completing a massive pre-stressed concrete flyover at Ekwulobia. Well, I'm reading from where the cable news published this information. Asị na na-agbalụ dibịa na-agbalụ mmadụ afa anya ha ewere uche na-agbalụ onwe ya. Yotago, so that but the work is going on at Ekwulobia now, and we used to give you guys update concerning that flyover. Well, if you ask me, I know that they might still meet the December target, but let's see how it goes. This flyover will be part of the 34-kilometer Amawbia-Agulu Nanka-Ekwulobia-Uga road. The Ekwulobia flyover will be ready by the end of the year. See, just like I said, in order to ensure that this project is completed in 12 months from the time it is commenced, Anambra State Government awarded the contract for the construction of this new road to two major contractors. Geld Construction Limited and AG Vision Construction. Well, AG Vision has been the one handling the whole of Amawbia-Agulu axis, Like I said, they could be equated with or a little below Gramberg, in Imo State. Well, I believe with proper supervision on their side, they might deliver something that is good. That is my own point of view anyway. So let's continue. Geld is the one that handling the construction of that government house road beside government house that will go to Ifite. That is the road, and there's so many other road gates, they are handling in Anambra State. They will be the one to construct the overpass at Express Road from Ifite. Then let's continue. The Amawbia-Agulu Nanka-Ekwulobia-Uga road will be made as green as possible. There will be vegetation in the median of this dualized road. This will not only enhance the road aesthetic appeal, it will improve air quality along its corridor. Because this is a major dualization project, it could result in the relocation of some structures that might have encroached into the road's right of way. But this would be done with a human face, just like what we said earlier. Let it be done with human face, so that everybody will have that joy that the road is coming. Adequate notice has been given to people who might have encroached into the road's right of way. Everyone believes that this road is good for the future of the state. In the coming months, other major dualization projects would also be kicked off. Anambra is on the path to greatness. It is the duty of well-meaning in the Anambra to support this transformation. Our children will be grateful for the foundation being laid in Anambra today. Well, you have heard it all, and I believe what the governor has said. But time shall tell. As the project kicks off, we'll see what happens thereafter. Well, the governor remains the governor. He chooses what to do and what not to do. But if you ask me, if the governor had managed to use beggar to construct that Onitsha road, which is still part of federal road, he decided not to do it, but the decision is left for him alone. That Onitsha road will bring more revenue to the state, times 1,000. That Onitsha road, but though the road is motorable now, I think FEMA did some patchwork there to make it motorable, but that road ought to have been given to Beggar, since Beggar has done the interchange down there through the federal government. Pega would have done that road down to main market, honestly speaking. But well, it's left for the governor to take his decision. Well, with this, we have come to the end of this discussion. If you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, please click on the subscription button, notification bell, like this video, and don't forget to share this video. And let's see at the comment section. Thank you as you do that. Till I come your way next time, I'm still Chinedu, your present. I say bye for now.